So, let me ask you first, do you remember the pronouns that you know? For example, subject pronouns, do you remember them? Like subject pronoun I, and you see it in the picture. We, you, they, these are subject pronouns, do you remember? So let's see some examples. So in the example number 1, look at the words in red. You have the pronoun I, subject pronoun, and you have a new one, myself. So let's read the example. I will do the work myself. Myself is called a reflexive pronoun, which means I'll do the work on my own without any help. Let's see another example. You will do the work yourself. And see the pattern. Let's see number 3. We are sitting by ourselves. Any remarks? Let's see number 4. They bring the coffee themselves. The first two, you have singular, so myself, yourself. But second set of sentence, we are, they bring, this is plural. So we have ourselves and themselves. So let's see your remarks. So if we have subject I, usually the reflexive pronoun that goes with it is myself. You, yourself. Remember, this is singular. If it was the other way around, which is plural, you will have yourselves. Let's move to the next one. We, ourselves. They, themselves. Now we will move to the table of pronouns. I want you to look at the table that's coming next right now. Look at this table. So first column you have subject pronouns, possessive adjectives in the second column, and then the last one, reflexive pronouns. So first two, you know them already, so the new one is about reflexive pronouns. I want you to take a look at it, at the last column, reflexive pronouns. Write them down if you want, or pause the video until you memorize them at least. Like, it's very easy. I goes with myself, you, yourself, he, himself, she, herself, it, itself, we, ourselves, you, yourselves, they, themselves. So, whenever we're going to use reflexive pronouns, remember the subject pronoun that goes with it. It's going to be easy in practice. So I'd like you to write them down or pause the video a moment and look at them. So take your time. So now we will move to some practice. I hope you wrote down the elements. If not, you can always go back and see the table. So first practice exercise number 1. It's easy. Fill in the blanks as usual. You have 4 pronouns, ourselves, me, yourself, and the pronoun I. So you have to fill in the blanks with these pronouns. First one, I'm fond of watching TV. Which pronoun are you going to use? Let's see which one. This is very easy. You can do it. Okay, let's see the answer. I am fond of watching TV. You have subject pronoun with the verb to be It's very easy. Let's see number 2. Can you give me number 2? You have to do the homework. Which one? Is it yourself or ourselves? Which one? Yes. Great. Anas, you have to do the homework yourself. Good. Because we can't use ourselves because we have the pronouns, subject pronoun you. We can't use ourselves with you. We use ourselves with the subject pronoun we. So let's go back and see number 3. So, do you want to play with me? Do you want to play with me? We can't say, do you want to play with I or something else, and we already used I in the beginning. Last one, what are you going to use? You have subject pronoun we, so it goes with which one? Which reflexive pronoun? Yes, good job. Ourselves. We will clean the house ourselves. Excellent job, guys. Let's move to the other exercise. Remember, you can pause the video and go back and see the table if you have difficulties, but I think you don't, because this is very easy and clear. Don't mind the picture. This is going to be easy for you. So you're just going to choose the correct pronoun. So first sentence, be careful. You might hurt. Is it my, herself, yourself? And see, you have the subject pronoun you. It's very easy. Which one are you going to choose? I'm waiting for you. Did you get it? So let's see the answer. Excellent job. Yourself, because you have subject pronoun you, it goes with reflexive pronoun yourself. Good job. Let's see now number 2. Let's introduce us, ourselves. What do you think? Remember, the word let's means let us introduce. Is it our or us or ourselves? What do you think? Which one? Excellent job, guys. You got it. It's ourselves. Let's move to number 3. Which one are you going to choose? He, and you have him, himself, and his. Pay attention. Which one? He must buy some books. Can we use him here? No. Which one are we going to use? I'm waiting for your answer. Excellent job. You chose well. Himself. He must buy himself some books. Let's move to number 4. Someone to read. Try to read. Good. So let me help you. Please help you, me, his, close the window. You need someone to help you close the window. What do you say? Do we say help you? What do we say, guys? I know you know. So please help. Yeah, good. Me, help me close the window. So now we move to your homework. So today's homework will depend on you. So you go back to the chart or the table of pronouns, but you just focus on the last column with reflexive pronouns. Choose 3 reflexive pronouns and then use them in a sentence that you're going to write on your own. Try to write 3 sentences. If you like, you can write as many as you like. The more you practice, the more you make it perfect. Remember this. So I will see you next, because this is the end of the video, and I will see you next time in another one. So thank you for attention again. Thank you so much, guys. I know you're going to excel your course this year. So I will see you in the next video.